My friend, this is in Hatton, Sri Lanka. I found a Harley Davidson bike here. You can see here, Harley Davidson bike. Bike owner also, I found him. Original Harley Davidson. You can see here, good looking bike. It is in Hatton, Sri Lanka. This is the bike owner, the Harley Davidson bike owner. His name is Trveller. He will explain you the different type of helmet also, helmet glass. He will explain you the about bike because very rare bike here. Harley Davidson is very rare. Only one in Sri Lanka. Only one in Sri Lanka Harley Davidson. I will talk with him. He will explain about his history and bike history. Bike, about everything about the bike. Can you say, my friend?
Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is Harley Davidson. I'm Trveller from HATTON. This in the Sri Lanka, I think it was very rare. This bike found is very rare.
Only one in Sri Lanka.
Only in Sri Lanka. I'm HATTON area is only one. The other side I don't know.
No, only one. I think I didn't see anywhere in the Harley Davidson.
2005 registered it. 400
cc.
Yeah, 400 cc. When I bike ride, I feel very comfortable. It's very feel very
Comfortable.
This bike, those bike found very rare in Sri Lanka. And I like childhood dreams. I'm bike lover. Childhood dreams. Ride to super bike. That's I dream is fulfilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
எடுங்க நான் வீடியோ ஒன்று பண்ணுறேன். அனுப்பா. ஓகே பத்திரம்.
Long chrome pipes, riding all day, riding all night, ride my bike 'cause that's what I